So made it to the hotel, and now let's head over to the tower to check out my room. It is a bit of a walk. Okay, so I just made it in to the hotel, and here's my room. This is a Deluxe Studio. Dun dun, my bag's right there. Nice. It's got those barn doors and kind of remind me of the Pixar hotel. It is not connecting to the other room, so that's cool. I think the next door is a 1-bedroom, but here is the bathroom. Ooh, it's fancy. All the lights are on, so they must have just cleaned. They did just clean the room because I just got the notice. So here is the bathroom. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Wow, that is a huge shower. Nice. And of course they have the shared. But I do like the rain shower and the shower and a place for you to sit and shave your legs. And this is interesting because this is the toilet, which is not really a cordoned off area. It's just a door. So I guess that's okay. I mean, usually they give you a little more privacy. So I guess it's frosted, so that's nice. Hooks for your towels. Makeup. Hello. I got my lei. Oh, we like these. Mirrors for makeup. Okay. And towels. This is a studio. Oh, look. I think, thought it was a little step stool for in case you have kids. Well, it's nice that they have little shelves. All right. So let's see what's in the closet. Extra blankets. Steam iron. I'm going to need that. Well, actually, I haven't decided yet. Luggage rack, laundry basket, hangers. Hey, you know what I noticed? They don't have a laundry bag. Probably because they have a laundry basket. So they're just having you do your own laundry. This is a nice little sitting area. It is hard as rock, though, as that is marble. And someplace where you can put your shoes, I guess, or extra bags. I like this little sitting area. I may just run down. I'm kind of tired, so I may run down and just get Captain Cook and come back and eat. Because, ta-da, I do have a microwave and kitchen sink. My favorite K-cups. Ooh, what kind are these? Oh, they're just regular Magic Kingdom ones. I was thinking that maybe they'd be, I guess they're not going to be the 70th because, hello, that would be Disneyland. Oh, look at the Keurigs, neat. It's the new Keurig because it comes with a coffee maker and a Keurig. This is an all-in-one. I love this. Oh my God, that's my favorite. And then of course there's a refrigerator here. Ta-da! Which, Mark, it's empty right now. We shall be filling that up later. Oh, nice little, nice end table for your guests. Thermostat. Perfect. 65. All right, so here's the room. Welcome home. I like it. Obviously, I think up here, shelves, but oh, toaster. I can reach these shelves. They were made. Oh my goodness. Real plates. What? This is better than the ones at Disneyland. Disneyland Studios give you just regular old paper plates. Nice. Real dishes. I wonder what's up here. Nothing. Guess you could just store your own stuff up here. Yeah. Ice bucket. That's important. I'm going to go find where the ice machine is. Oh, nice cups. I like these. I like that color. Ooh, they're nice and sturdy too. Okay. And mugs. I like these. This is really nice. I like the fact that they give you real real plates, silverware, and it's not that. Here's your garbage. I think one's recycling. Yep, one's recycling and one is trash. Under here should be your dish towels, dish soap, dish rack, and washing stuff. So I will probably end up having to wash some of the mugs and things, so I'll probably take that out. And if you are really, really lazy and you want to, I think, how do we open this? I don't know how to open it. I mean, it's a dishwasher. And if you do lots of dishes, I guess you could use a dishwasher. All right, we're going to pull down the Murphy bed, but not yet. Oh, look at that. They gave me a little Mickey Mouse. How cute. This is really pretty. All right, let's take a look and see what's outside. Oh, it's not locked. This is my view. I have a balcony. That's the rest of the resort over there. Those are the villas out in this area over here. Woo! I'm on the 5th floor. But look, I can see the park. I wonder, I should be able to see the fireworks. I'm gonna check to see if there's fireworks tonight. Cause I have a park view. Okay. Even though this is on the other side of the resort, and I have to walk all the way back to catch there's a Contemporary. I have to catch all the transportation to all the parks and stuff. I have to walk all the way back to the main house, which you can't even see really from here. It's the triangle line up there. But yeah, what a view. I love this. All right, I'm going to check to see about fireworks time. At least, I think way out here, and I have to hear the loud of the boats. The ferries make a ferry note. Ooh, it's turning Tron red. Goes from blue, that's Tron, and it was just red. So I guess maybe wait until there must be somebody launching soon. I'm kind of bummed because well, actually, I'm not really bummed. I was going to say I'm bummed because I don't get to get the red tomorrow, but I am going to go ride it tomorrow, and I should still get the 9 Inch Nails song. I think it's going to change soon. Well, alright. I thought it was going to change because there'd be I thought it changes every time there's a set of motorcycles that go through, but I guess I'm incorrect on that. I guess it just changes whenever it feels like it. So we'll get some of that tomorrow because I'm also going to be at the Christmas party. Oh, there's the castle. Okay, walking back into the room. Oh, I have a nice balcony area. So that's cool. Oh my gosh, the door is so heavy. It is really actually heavy. I'm gonna close the blinds so people can't see me. What's on the shelves? Cute pictures. Oh, it's my favorite. Hey Dizzy. Hey Disney. The little app guy. So he should. I think I have to turn him on. See the little red dot? I think I have to turn him on. Hey Disney. What's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Lake Buena Vista, you'll see lots of sun and can expect a high of 83 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 56 degrees.
I just love it when it's bright and sunny here in New Orleans. Makes you want a big old glass of fresh lemonade.
Tiana, we're not in New Orleans. We're in Florida. All right. Anyway, I like my Hey Disney because, I mean, at home I have Alexa, so I scream out stuff for her. So that makes it nice. All right, let's take a look. Oh, my favorite. Let's take a look at drawers. Wow, these are big, long drawers. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, these are very long drawers. 3 large ones. And I think enough room under the bed. Would be creepy if I did this and somebody was under here. Yikes. But yeah, I mean, technically someone could be hiding under here. It's so huge. But I think you put your luggage down here. So if you have lots of luggage, you have lots of places to put stuff. All right. Let's take a look and see what is in the Murphy bed, because there's got to be something. It's really heavy, this bed. It's very heavy. Over here. Let's take a look. Whoa. Oh, it's Moana. How cute. All right, again, I'm going to say this. This bed is made nicely. I don't know if you can see. I'll lift you up a little bit. What? It's tucked in so nice. It's almost a perfect bed. I'm not going to touch it then. I'm going to just put it back up. But isn't that pretty? These are very, very pretty. Okay, it is, like I said, this bed is so taut. I don't want to touch it. It is perfect. So I'm just going to lift the Murphy bed back up and I'm going to put it back in. But, oh, is that not the cutest picture? That's really, really pretty. I don't know. I know that it's supposed to be all Moana motif. It's very much Moana motif in this area than the other ones, the other, Deluxe Studios that are the older villas. So I do think these are, obviously these are nicer. They're new. But yeah, that's such a pretty picture. And the bed looks nice. I didn't want to touch it. It's perfect. Okay, so I just got in and it is about, I'm trying to see if there's, no, I think it's about 6:30 or so. I thought the TV would have a clock on it. It does, but right now it's that welcome home sign. So I've been up since 3 a.m. West Coast time, so not too bad. I am tired. Thanks for checking out this room tour. I know it was pretty fast, but they're kind of, these DVC studios are kind of the same. This has a really cool, it's very clean, crisp, it's new. It very much feels like the Disneyland Deluxe Studios. I like this theme better. I know the one in Disneyland is really cute, it's animated and everything like that, and the Tiana stuff is so adorable. This is just really nice and clean and crisp. It's Moana. Maybe I like the Hawaiian motif better. Anyway, but anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I will have more videos coming up later. I think I'm on the 5th floor. This right here, or maybe I'm right over here on this side. I think maybe I'm over there. I don't know, but I am on the 5th floor facing this direction. Whew, all right, so I wanted to come back on because this is about the room. If you are noise adverse, meaning that you want to get a hotel where you can't really hear kids or your neighbors, you should not stay here at the tower. The walls are really, really thin. I don't know. They must not have paid for double insulation or something, because I can tell you that you can hear your neighbors. Like, I get it, they're kids because it's Disney or whatever, but I've stayed at the older Deluxe Studios here at the Polynesian that are kind of in the bungalow area, and they are well more insulated than the rooms. I am also really close to the elevator, which shouldn't make much of a difference. I can't hear the elevator ding or anything like that, but you can definitely hear everything in the hallway. And I think maybe it's because there isn't a very long hallway, whereas like at the Disneyland villas, they have a long hallway from the door to where the bedroom area is. The bathroom is a lot longer, I guess. This is kind of like a regular hallway for a hotel, I think. And again, the walls are not insulated because I can hear the neighbors on that side of the wall and the wall behind me. And that's even if they cough. So I know that they can hear me when I'm coughing. And so I feel really bad about that too. So I would just say that I probably will not be staying in the tower again, unless I get maybe like a 1-bedroom or something that's a bigger space that kind of maybe your bed is not like within the 4 walls of your room. I think it is really easy to hear everybody, and it's easy to hear everybody down the hallway, not just outside your door, but down the whole hallway. So I think the sound here is, or the acoustics in this hotel, just this tower, are not insulated very well. So I find that really interesting considering the fact that this is like brand new. So, and again, the Disneyland villas, they're well insulated. So, I mean, obviously different contractors, different states, I suppose. But anyway, I wanted to give you guys the heads up. So if you are noise adverse, don't stay in the tower. I would recommend maybe staying in one of the smaller little bungalow kind of rooms. And I think they're probably well more insulated. And maybe that's because also there's only like 3 or 4 levels to each one of those little bungalow kind of houses where the rooms are. So maybe there's just not a lot of people. I don't know. But anyway, so I wanted to share a tip with you. So beware when you book